Okay.
Go ahead. Okay guys, so we are cutting the plywood. No table saw? No problem. We have this tool. No problem. This is the one we're using. This is the skate plate worn drive. It's designed for skill saw. No table saw, no problem. Javier can take care of it. So we kind of reduce the plywood, and I like this one. Let me know what you guys think. Skate plate worn drive from Sheriff Point. Have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. And see you guys later. Cut straight, see? Straight like a table saw. That's the half of the plywood that we cut it. We're gonna put down.